Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Hidden Gems. One of the great things about Hidden Gems is you'll be able to find great food at every restaurant spot. That's the reason why I love doing these shows. So I'm going to hit you up with something that people sleep on ever since they came out. Domino's. So Domino's actually has like this Philly cheesesteak sandwich that I really, really love. And when I kid you not, ooh, you see the stringiness of the cheese right here. And also you can see the Philly that's inside. And what I'm telling you is, I'm gonna start doing some of these go-to spots so you know exactly where you need to go, especially for this COVID-19, because of the fact that, you know, it's kind of hard to be in a restaurant these days. But right now, I'm about to give you my review on this. Yo, let's make this thing work. Wow. And when I tell you that this Philly is on point, because they put this in the oven, and when it comes to like the gooiness of the cheese, the Philly steak is made to perfection. Cheese is provolone cheese. It's ridiculously good. Especially with the ciabatta bread, it's ridiculously good. Tastes like it's buttered to perfection as well, first with the bread, and the crispiness of the bread make this thing on point. So definitely, I don't want to give a shout out to this Domino's because the lady is rude, but let's go to your local Domino's, be able to eat the great food. From there, I will make sure to let you know when more stuff is coming out. Now, what I will probably do is like shoot inside this car for the time being, because it's kind of hard to like do the food show when COVID-19 is going on. But at least what I can do is show you all the great spots that you could go to during this COVID-19 crisis so you can get good food while you cooped up in the house. Now, another thing I want to tell you is I am in Atlanta, Georgia. Yeah! I moved. But the great thing about Atlanta, Georgia is you have a lot of great different eating spots. So definitely I'm going to let you know more about the great eating spot as it continues. Probably my next episode is going to be on American Deli. For those of you who haven't been to Atlanta, American Deli is stupendous with their lemon pepper wet wings. So that's the next food review. But I just want you to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and especially hit that bell so you know definitely when next Hidden Gem episode is coming about. But I do want to say thank you so very much for just looking at this video. Definitely I'm gonna give you great food every time when I go to a food restaurant spot. I'm gonna hit you up with those that are in Atlanta and stuff that is everywhere, so that way you can taste some of the great food that I actually eat. But until next time, please have a great rest of your day. Eat good for me like always, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.